Welcome, dear adventurers, to a land where nature flourishes and culture thrives. Welcome to Costa Rica. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, this Central American gem is a paradise of wonder and wildlife, a place where the spirit of Pura Vida, the pure life, resonates in every corner. From its misty cloud forests and volcanic peaks to its golden beaches and turquoise waters, Costa Rica is a canvas painted with a diversity of landscapes, each more breathtaking than the last. As we embark on this journey, we'll delve into the heart of Costa Rican culture, explore its stunning natural beauty, and discover thrilling adventures that await in the wild. We'll taste the flavors of its cuisine, learn the rhythms of its lifestyle, and uncover the secrets that make Costa Rica a beacon of sustainable tourism. So come on board as we uncover the treasures of this beautiful land. Imagine a place where the forest meets the sea, where wildlife frolics freely. Welcome to the diverse landscapes of Costa Rica. This Central American paradise, nestled between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, is a tapestry of breathtaking vistas. From the pristine white sandy beaches fringed by lush rainforests on the Caribbean coast, to the rugged cliffs and mesmerizing sunsets of the Pacific coast, Costa Rica is a nature lover's dream. But it's not just the landscapes that will steal your breath away. It's the feeling of insignificance amidst the grandeur of nature. The sense of peace that washes over you as you watch the sun dip below the ocean's horizon, the thrill of spotting a playful monkey swinging through the trees, or a vibrant toucan perched high up in the canopy. This is a country blessed with an astonishing variety of flora and fauna. In fact, despite it being just 0.33% of Earth's landmass, Costa Rica is home to nearly 5% of the world's biodiversity. From the elusive jaguar prowling in the depths of the rainforest, to the majestic sea turtles nesting on the beaches, to the countless species of colorful, fluttering butterflies, the wildlife here is as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Given this, it's no surprise that Costa Rica is at the forefront of ecotourism. The country's national parks and protected areas cover over 1/4 of its land surface, ensuring that these natural treasures are preserved for future generations. And it's not just about conservation. It's about education, about raising awareness of the importance of biodiversity, about inspiring awe and respect for the natural world. Whether you're exploring the cloud forests of Monteverde, surfing the waves at Santa Teresa, or simply soaking up the sun on a secluded beach, there's something in Costa Rica for every nature enthusiast. The landscapes here are not just beautiful, they're transformative. They make you see the world, and your place in it, in a whole new light. In Costa Rica, every path leads to a stunning vista. Every turn introduces you to a new member of the wild. Beyond the breathtaking landscapes, the heart of Costa Rica beats in its vibrant culture and the Pura Vida lifestyle. In the heart of Central America, nestled between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, the spirit of Pura Vida permeates every aspect of Costa Rican life. But what exactly does Pura Vida mean? In Spanish, it translates directly to pure life. But to the people of Costa Rica, it's so much more. It's an attitude, a philosophy, a way of life. Pura Vida is about living life to the fullest. It's about appreciating the simple things, celebrating the good times, and finding joy in the everyday. It's about slowing down, taking a moment to breathe, and truly savoring the world around you. This Pura Vida lifestyle can be seen in the country's vibrant culture. Stroll through the bustling local markets and you'll see it in the colorful arrays of fresh fruits, vegetables, and handcrafted goods. You'll hear it in the lively chatter of vendors and customers exchanging stories and smiles. It's a sense of community, a love for local produce, and a celebration of Costa Rican craftsmanship. Pura Vida is also reflected in the country's vibrant street festivals. These events are a riot of color, music, and dance, where locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate life. Traditional dances like the bomba and the punto guanacasteco are performed with passion and pride. Each step, each beat of the drum, each vibrant costume tells a story of Costa Rica's rich cultural heritage. In Costa Rica, Pura Vida is more than just a catchphrase. It's an ethos that shapes the way people live, work, and interact with one another. It's a reminder to appreciate the beauty of life, to embrace each moment with joy and gratitude. It's a testament to the Costa Ricans' love for life and their warm, welcoming nature. So, when you visit Costa Rica, take a moment to soak it all in. Take a deep breath, feel the warm sun on your skin, listen to the rhythm of the waves, and let yourself be swept up in the Pura Vida lifestyle. Embrace the joy, the simplicity, the sense of community, and let it remind you of what truly matters in life. The Pura Vida lifestyle is a testament to the Costa Ricans' love for life and their warm, welcoming nature. For those with a thirst for adventure, Costa Rica offers a playground like no other. This land of Pura Vida is a treasure trove of adrenaline-pumping activities, each one more thrilling than the last, and yet, carefully curated to preserve the precious ecosystems that make this country so unique. Imagine soaring above the lush rainforest canopies, suspended from a zip line, with nothing but the wind in your hair, and a bird's-eye view of the verdant landscape beneath. It's not just an adventure, it's a chance to witness the sheer biodiversity that Costa Rica boasts of, from a perspective that few get to experience. But the adventure doesn't stop at the treetops. Costa Rica's pristine beaches are a surfer's dream come true. With the mighty Pacific on one side and the tranquil Caribbean on the other, the country offers a surfing experience that's as diverse as it is exciting. Whether you're a seasoned surfer riding the waves or a beginner finding your balance, the ocean humbles and thrills in equal measure. For those who prefer terra firma, the country's national parks offer hiking trails that range from leisurely walks to challenging treks. Each step takes you deeper into Costa Rica's heart, unveiling hidden waterfalls, secret beaches, and a wildlife spectacle that leaves you in awe. Yet what truly sets Costa Rica apart is its commitment to sustainable travel. This is a country that understands the delicate balance of nature and the role we play in preserving it. Ecotourism isn't just a buzzword here, it's a way of life. From the eco-lodges that blend seamlessly into the environment, to the wildlife conservation efforts that are a part of every adventure activity, every experience is crafted with respect for Mother Nature. In Costa Rica, thrill and respect for nature go hand in hand, offering an exhilarating yet responsible adventure. This is a country where you don't just witness the wonders of nature, but also learn to value them. So come, quench your thirst for adventure and leave with a newfound respect for our incredible planet. Costa Rica is a feast for the senses, and its cuisine is a delicious testament to that. This vibrant land's culinary traditions are a flavorful fusion of indigenous, Spanish, and African influences that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Let's start our culinary journey with breakfast. In Costa Rica, the day begins with gallo pinto, a hearty dish of rice and beans seasoned with cilantro, onions, and peppers. This staple meal is often served with eggs, cheese, or sour cream, providing a delightful contrast of flavors. No exploration of Costa Rican cuisine would be complete without mentioning casado, a lunchtime favorite. This balanced meal consists of rice, beans, salad, and a protein, be it fish, chicken, or beef. The name casado, which means married in Spanish, symbolizes the perfect union of its ingredients, much like the harmonious blend of cultures in Costa Rica. In the mood for something sweet? Try tres leches, a mouth-watering dessert made of a sponge cake soaked in 3 types of milk, topped with whipped cream. This rich and creamy delight is the perfect end to any meal. Costa Rican cuisine is not just about the food, it's also about the fresh and diverse local produce. A visit to a local feria, or farmer's market, is a must. Here you'll find an array of colorful fruits and vegetables, from juicy pineapples and mangoes to crunchy peppers and avocados. Savor the sweetness of a perfectly ripe banana or the tang of a freshly squeezed lime. These markets are a testament to the country's rich soil and biodiverse ecosystems. And let's not forget about Costa Rica's world-renowned coffee. Grown in the highlands, Costa Rican coffee beans are known for their smooth flavor and rich aroma. A cup of this liquid gold is the perfect way to start or end your day. So when you're in Costa Rica, don't just see the sights and explore the landscapes, taste the culture, indulge in the local cuisine. It's a sensory experience that tells the story of this beautiful country and its people. After all, a trip to Costa Rica is incomplete without savoring its flavorful cuisine. Before you pack your bags, here are some tips to make your Costa Rican adventure smooth and memorable. Costa Rica is a year-round destination, with its dry season from December to April being the most popular. However, if you're a fan of lush green landscapes and fewer crowds, the rainy season from May to November might be your ideal time. When it comes to budgeting, Costa Rica offers a range of options to suit every pocket. From luxurious eco-resorts to cozy backpacker hostels, the choice is yours. Just remember, it's always wise to book your accommodations and activities in advance to secure the best deals. Getting around Costa Rica is an adventure in itself. You can choose from private transfers, domestic flights, rental cars, or public buses. But do remember, while the country is small, the winding mountain roads can make travel times longer than expected. Now let's talk language. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, brushing up on some Spanish phrases can enhance your travel experience. A simple hola for hello, gracias for thank you, or pura vida for pure life can go a long way in connecting with the locals. Speaking of connections, if you're traveling with family, Costa Rica is a haven. From exploring wildlife sanctuaries, building sandcastles on pristine beaches, to learning about the conservation efforts at turtle hatcheries, there's plenty to keep the young and the young at heart entertained. And of course, always remember to respect the local culture and environment. Costa Rica is a pioneer in ecotourism, and every traveler has a role to play in maintaining its natural beauty. So, tread lightly, dispose of your waste responsibly, and consider supporting local businesses during your stay. With these tips, you're ready to make the most of your Costa Rican adventure. Whether you're here for the wildlife, the adventure, or simply to relax and soak up the Pura Vida lifestyle, Costa Rica has something for everyone. So go ahead, pack your bags, and get ready to discover a paradise of wonder and wildlife. As our journey comes to an end, it's time to reflect on the magic that is Costa Rica. In the heart of Central America, where the Pacific Ocean meets the Caribbean Sea, lies a land of unparalleled beauty and vibrant culture. Costa Rica, a paradise of wonder and wildlife, has been our host, our guide, and our inspiration. The natural splendor of Costa Rica is a testament to the power of preservation and respect for the environment. The lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and diverse wildlife are more than just picturesque landscapes. They are reminders of the delicate balance that exists between humans and nature. They are an invitation to explore, to discover, and to marvel at the richness of life on our planet. The culture of Costa Rica is as varied and colorful as its flora and fauna. The warm smiles, the hearty laughter, the Pura Vida lifestyle, these are the threads that weave together the fabric of Costa Rican society. They are the echoes of a culture that values community, simplicity, and happiness above all else. The people of Costa Rica are the heart and soul of this country. Their kindness, their resilience, their love for life, these are the qualities that make Costa Rica a place like no other. Their stories, their songs, their dances, these are the memories that we take with us, the treasures that we carry in our hearts, the adventures that we've embarked on, the trails we've blazed, the waves we've surfed. These experiences have not only challenged us but also changed us. They have taught us to be brave, to be humble, to be present. They have shown us that life is not about the destination, but the journey. Costa Rica, a paradise of wonder and wildlife, is more than a destination. It's a feeling, an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. It's the whisper of the wind through the palm trees, the roar of the waves on the beach, the melody of the rain on the leaves. It's the taste of sweet pineapples, the aroma of fresh coffee, the rhythm of salsa music. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the water on your feet, the thrill of the zip line in your stomach. Costa Rica, a paradise of wonder and wildlife, is more than a destination. It's a feeling, an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores.